Encountering a can't load save error in Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl, can be frustrating, but understanding the root causes can help. The first cause is save corruption, often from abrupt game exits, power failures, or system instability while the game is saving. This leads to invalid data in the save file. Another major factor is system compatibility issues, including outdated graphics drivers, insufficient RAM, you need at least 16 gigabytes, or problems with DirectX 12. Game bugs, such as memory leaks in early versions, can also trigger this error. Even conflicts introduced by mods or overclocking can trigger this error. Understanding these potential issues is the first step toward fixing the problem. Start by verifying the integrity of game files through Steam. This process identifies and replaces any corrupted files that might be causing the load error. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers are a common cause of save loading issues. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. Running the game as an administrator can bypass permission-related issues that prevent saves from loading properly. If you're using any mods, disable them to check if they're causing conflicts with the save system. For advanced troubleshooting, use Process Monitor to diagnose file access errors and identify specific files causing problems. Navigate to the save file location, delete any corrupted saves, and consider reinstalling the game if issues persist. Install community-created save backup tool mods that automatically verify saves before loading, helping prevent errors.